Replacing nozzle in Bambu Lab A1, it's so easy I believe everyone can do it. There are some simple steps that you need to do it safely. First of all, check the display if the temperature is not too hot. Nozzle temperature should be below 30 degrees. The next step is to turn off the power and remove power cord. This way we will be sure that nothing bad happens with electricity or components of the printer. The next step is to remove the heat bed sheet and put some clean cloth on heated bed. This is only to be sure that we don't gonna make our heated bed dirty and we don't gonna damage anything below the extruder. Next simple step is to cut the filament with the lever on the right side. Just push it inside until you hear noticeable click. After that we can remove the front panel, grabbing it from the bottom. Now we can see the silicone sock, which we can just pull a little bit to our side and then put it down. Then we can see the lever. You can open it with your fingers or use some small tool. Once it's open, you can try to pull the nozzle from the bottom, and this should be fairly easy to remove. But it's possible that you're gonna have a little bit of problems. Sometimes you need to go back, heat the nozzle to 80 degrees and try again with some proper tool. This can happen when some of the filaments are between nozzle and heat block and it sticks together. Bambu Lab recommends to change the nozzle every time when you have bad clogs and you cannot print again, or when you damage the nozzle somehow, I don't know how. I change nozzle only when I want to change my size from 0.4 to 0.6 or 0.2 mm. 0.2 mm for detailed, small models and 0.6 for bigger models to print faster. After removing the nozzle, we can put the new one. It's held by a magnet. Put the new nozzle inside and carefully latch the metal clip. Be sure that it's clipped just as you can see on the video. Sometimes it's possible to do it wrongly. It's hard to do it, but it's possible. Once it's on its place, you can put the silicone sock back. Start from the bottom and push it to the nozzle. Then you can grab the panel, put it on the top first and push it on the bottom. Then you can put the power cord back, turn on the printer, and then the last step is to change settings of the printer with the correct nozzle. Go to the settings, choose maintenance and change the nozzle. 0.2 stainless steel or bigger, maybe 0.6 with hardened or stainless steel. And that's pretty much it. Remove the cloth, put the heat bed sheet and you're ready to go. As you've seen and heard, it's pretty simple. Thank you for stopping by, my name is Rafał and this is Spectrum Filaments. This will be the series Learn 3D Printing with Spectrum Filaments. Don't forget to subscribe and visit our shop at shop.spectrumfilaments.com and use our code SpectrumYT10 to get 10% off on basically everything. Okay, now you can choose the video recommended for you or just subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one. Bye!